Continuing on, we're going to make a hole for our light switch to go into. We know it's 1¼ inches wide. We know it's 3 inches tall. We're going to make a mark 16 inches up from the bottom. Oh, look, there's a convenient one right there. We're going to measure up 16 inches. We're going to make a mark right there. Ooh, right there. There's a mark. Measure side to side. Give us 1¼ inch all together. Make a mark. Make a mark. Make a mark. And we're going to be going up from there 3 inches because we know that's our height. So we're going to use the tape method again. And this will keep us from marking the walls too much. The walls, the set walls. So we'll connect our lines here. Our mark is here. Mark is here. Check it to make sure. 1¼ inch, that's perfect. Now we're going to check our height. We're going to make a 3 inch height right there. Make our 3 inch height. Make it nice and level. And right there. Go up and down. All right, that's going to be our box. So we're going to need to cut it next. Now, make sure your table is level, because if your table's not level and you use this level, then it's going to look really funny on our little wall set.